Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today, I have an exciting lineup of best new Blender add-ons that are sure to enhance your workflow as a 3D artist. Let's kick things off with Lazy Animation. This add-on simplifies animation in Blender by skipping the tedious keyframe creation process. It allows you to animate objects along custom paths with just a single click, and even control multiple objects at the same time. Plus, it comes with features like reverse mode so that you can experiment with different animation directions quickly and easily. If you want to speed up your animation workflow and focus on creativity, this is the add-on for you. Next, let's talk about the advanced car paint shader from the folks at Lazy 3D. This fully procedural material shading tool is available for free, and it's designed to give you ultra-realistic car paint finishes in Blender. You can add details like dust, rust, and leaks to give your vehicles a worn, authentic look. One of the coolest features is its ability to create procedural flakes, scratches, and even decals that can make your vehicle look more realistic. Whether you're working on a sleek new car or a beat-up old truck, this shader lets you achieve those fine details effortlessly. The Lazy 3D team has really outdone themselves with this one. Moving on, the folks at Lazy 3D have another awesome tool for us, the Jungle Biome Generator. This add-on is part of their Naturescape Pro package, a standalone biome generator that helps you quickly create stunning jungle environments inside Blender. For those working on jungle scenes or wanting to add lush, realistic nature elements to their projects, this generator is a huge time saver. It's fully procedural, meaning you can customize and tweak your biomes however you like. Naturescape Pro comes loaded with features, and if you're interested in creating rich environments, this tool is definitely worth checking out. Further next, we have Light Wrangler, which is perfect for precise lighting control in Blender. You can position lights exactly where you want them with a simple right-click, and the dynamic controls allow you to adjust power, size, and distance directly in the viewport. No more wrestling with tricky lighting setups. Plus, it includes realistic effects like IES profiles and GUI mode for dynamic shadow patterns. And one of the coolest features? You can bake your lighting setups into HDR maps and reuse them across projects. Up next, we have Fake God Ray and Glow Objects. This asset pack makes it easy to add dramatic glow effects and God rays to your scenes with minimal effort. It comes with over 60 emissive and God ray materials, plus 30 pre-made scene setups. Just drag and drop them from Blender's asset browser to instantly enhance your renders. These shaders can be customized to fit any lighting style, whether you're working on a cinematic shot or a stylized animation. Another must-have is Simplify Plus. If you're working with heavy Blender scenes, this add-on helps optimize viewport performance beyond Blender's default Simplify tool. It lets you toggle multiple modifiers, like armatures and geometry nodes, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Whether you're animating or handling complex simulations, this add-on ensures everything runs without lag, especially useful if you're working on a low-spec machine. Now, let's talk about physical cables. If you're adding cables, wires, or ropes to your projects, this add-on will make your life so much easier. It uses simulation nodes to generate dynamic, physics-based cables that interact naturally with their surroundings. Whether you're rigging complex mechanical assemblies or adding detailed cables to an architectural scene, this tool has you covered. With over 20 types of procedural geometries, you'll have no problem integrating them seamlessly into your projects. And that wraps it up, everyone. I hope you found these add-ons useful for improving your Blender workflow. If you're interested in any of them, the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.